In the land of Ashwapur, there was once a queen named Sita, born to an humble family. Sita was no ordinary woman. Even as a child, she had an unshakable strength in her heart and a deep sense of justice that seemed beyond her age. Her parents recognized her wisdom and courage and decided that she was destined for greatness. Little did they know that her journey would not be of luxury and ease, but one of trials and triumphs. At the age of 16, Sita was married to King Rajan, a ruler known for his ambition and valor. She was not just a queen by name but by her heart as well, for she ruled with compassion and fairness. Years passed and the kingdom flourished under Sita's wisdom. But one fateful day, a mysterious sage visited the kingdom and spoke of a prophecy. The kingdom will face its greatest challenge, and only the purity of the queen's heart can save it, he declared, disappearing as suddenly as he had come. King Rajan, puzzled by the prophecy, dismissed it, but Queen Sita felt a deep stirring in her heart. She knew that a storm was coming, one that would test her very soul. The kingdom faced a severe drought and people began to question their leadership. The grain stores were running low and the rich grew wealthier while the poor grew desperate. Queen Sita was torn. She could not allow her people to suffer, yet she knew that to give too much would deplete the kingdom's resources entirely. And then rumors began to spread. Whispers of a distant land that had water and abundance. Many advised Sita to go on a diplomatic mission to secure help, but the journey was long and dangerous. The queen faced a choice. Should she trust the people around her who were urging her to seek foreign aid, or should she find a way to fix things with what they had? After days of contemplation, Queen Sita went to the royal garden and prayed under the ancient tree of wisdom. In that moment, the answer became clear. The land's true wealth was not in foreign alliances, but in the strength of its people and the purity of its heart. She gathered the villagers and spoke, "We must work together, for together we can bring the rains. We must not rely on others to save us, but on our own unity." Sita's words sparked a wave of hope. The people worked day and night to build irrigation channels and restore the land to its former beauty. Their efforts were nothing short of miraculous. As the skies darkened one evening, the heavens opened up and the first drops of rain fell. The drought was over. Sita's bravery and wisdom had saved her people, but what she had truly shown them was the power of hope, unity, and the strength of the human spirit. In the years that followed, Queen Sita ruled with even greater wisdom. Her reputation as a fair and just ruler spread far and wide, and she became a symbol of resilience, not because of her crown, but because of her heart. Sita's legacy lived on, not in the wealth of the kingdom, but in the lives she touched. the people she united, and the wisdom she passed down through generations. Her story is a reminder that true strength does not come from power, but from the ability to lead with integrity and compassion.